not as bad as the Pioneers. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, please. It's worth $50.
Okay, Alyssa is being offered $50 to eat one of these goldfish after we fry it.
How about the small one?
Okay.
That's so disgusting.
You're the one holding a knife to
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Wait, don't use that frying pan. Use a bad one.
That's a bad one.
Not the nice one.
What if I
mine.
swallow it whole? What if I swallow it whole?
That's fine with me.
Ah.
Here's the beta. Wait, where are all the rest of the fish?
In the freezer. Oh!
Yeah. That's just going to be gross.
Oh my.
To be continued. Okay, here's the grilled fish. Did you want barbecue sauce with it?
No, I said she couldn't have it.
Oh, okay. Wait, let's get a good look at it. Oh, sick.
Alyssa's gonna eat flounder.
Inhumane.
No! I love the Little Mermaid. Alright, Alyssa. You can sit by all these other dead fish. Look at the other dead fish.
Stop looking at them. Do you want a fork?
It's a little hot. It might burn my throat as it goes down my gullet.
This is disgusting. Oh.
One bite.
$50.
You have to hold your mouth open so I can see it.
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
One tiny bite and then swallow the rest whole. Ew. $50.
It tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken nugget.
Wait, you don't like fish anyway, don't you? She doesn't like fish.
Oh! You already licked it.
Dude, give me that.
Okay.
Wait.
Megan, like.
Here you go.
Megan!
She's sleeping. How do you know she's awake?
I heard sounds.
It's the fish talking to you. Are you crying?
No!
Let's see it.
Oh, it's down.
Oh.
Oh!